at kilalanin ang kahalagahan ng kooperatiba sa ating komunidad. Sa ngalan po ng Provincial Government of Northern Samar, nais ko pong magpasalamat sa bawat isa sa naging bahagi ng mga programa, aktibidad.
We stand united, demonstrating that through cooperation, we can build a brighter future for our communities. Lately, we have welcomed officials from the Cooperative Development Authority, Region 8. Their commitment to fostering cooperative development in our province is commendable. I would like to highlight the assurances of the good BM, Albert Lucero, and the rest of the members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan that should we seek to increase the capitalization of our Credit Surety Fund Cooperative, we will be right behind you.
I fully support all initiatives and projects that will help further develop and strengthen the cooperative movement in Northern Samar. In collaboration with the provincial government, we will work towards the following goals. First, strengthening partnership and alliances among stakeholders. Second, training and capacity building initiatives. Third, recognizing cooperative champions. Together, we can make Northern Samar a model province for cooperative success.
Sama-sama tayo ngayon, magkaisa sa iisang layon. Lakas natin lumalakas sa bawat hakbang, buo ang lakas. Nagkakaisa ang puso't isipan, sa kooperatiba'y walang iwanan. Tulong-tulong sa pag-angakas, para sa kinabukasan tapat. Mas matatag, mas masigla, sama-sama tayo sa pagdadala ang bukas na puno ng saya. Kooperatiba ang ating pag-asa. Sa bawat hamon na darating, sa atin ang tamang daan. Kabutihan ng patnubay ng galing, sa kooperatiba'y walang hanggan. Bawat miyembro inspirasyon, sa